Hello everyone, in this video we are going to look at how can you set a WireGuard VPN for your PC, and this is going to be quite simple and easy, so don't worry, I'll get you covered. Okay, so first of all, the introduction of WireGuard VPN. It's fast, modern, secure VPN tunnel which works with crypto key routing. So you can say it's kind of faster and have very much of better security. So you can see the crypto key routing configuration file. You can either copy this, paste it and anywhere, but this is not the actual configuration you will get with the authorized VPN server that will have the public key, private key and all the other necessary information. For the installation, you can come down here. The link is given in the description down below, and you can go for the preferred operating system you own. For now, I have installed it on my Windows PC, and here we have the graphical user interface and the service of the VPN we are going to use with the VPNBook. And you can see the introduction. Again, modern, fast, secure VPN protocol with free WireGuard configuration. So it has kind of auto expiring method, so you can download over and over. Anyways, if you want to go with any server you like, you can go here. You can pick anyone you like. For example, I just want to go with this United Kingdom server too. If you want to bypass the best firewalls, I mean, this will bypass all the securities if any website has. But for the best and perfect speed, you can go with this port 25018. Now, after hitting the port, you can go with the I understand and accept these conditions, and after that verify that you are a human, and then hit generate configuration. After that, you will get the QR code. You can scan it over multiple devices, whether it be your Android, iOS, Mac, Linux, wherever you want. And at the same time, we are going to work this on with this PC, so we need to download the configuration file. You can either copy this, paste it, or you can just download the configuration. So let's download the configuration file, and then after we need to import it within the interface of WireGuard VPN. Here we have the interface, and to import the tunnel, you can click over import tunnel from file, then just locate and hit activate. That's it. It's just going to get connected to the VPN server, and the mentioned DNS servers will be authenticated. All right, everything is established. Now if we go to the my IP to check what's the IP address of this PC, now you can see we have a different one: United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. It clearly states that you are now switched to a different location. Likewise, you can go with other servers you like. For that, we need to deactivate first so that we can generate a fresh one. Let's go with the France, and again you can go with the 443 if you would like, but I'll always prefer 25018 because it's giving me the best speed in terms of streaming and anything. Then you just have to go with the conditions again and then hit generate. Okay, let's verify once again, and here we have a new QR code. Again, the same thing. You can either scan, you can copy, and you can paste it, whatever you like. And if I get the time in my coming videos, I'll show this method for all the rest of the devices for Android, iOS and any other devices if I get the time. All right, so here you need to import the tunnel, locate the file, and just again hit activate, and that's it. That's how you will get connected to the server. And now if we refresh, you can see our location is changed to France. So that's how you can switch to other servers, and you can get connected and establish a proper WireGuard VPN tunnel, and it will be quite faster. So if we go to the YouTube and if we try to stream something regular or anything, let's see how the quality is going to be and how better does it feel than the regular one. So let's take this as an example. You can see it's streaming with 4K resolution and it's quite faster. You can see there's no problem. It's working and dealing perfectly with the streaming, and that's how it works. So let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this VPN and this method? Because it's kind of new to me and I found it most useful. So yeah, do let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.